Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your system meets basic requirements and you have admin rights. Download and run the G Hub installer, then close older Logitech apps to avoid conflicts. Once installation begins, connect your device by USB or Bluetooth and allow automatic driver detection. You'll see a device icon when G Hub recognizes hardware. Click it to begin the first sync. Make sure to accept firmware updates if prompted, because those fixes enable advanced profiles and reliable macro behavior. You now build profiles and map what matters. Choose a profile linked to a specific game or make a global one. Drag and drop commands to assign buttons, record macros, adjust DPI stages, and set lighting zones. Once done, test bindings in the app and in-game, make small tweaks to timings and repeat counts. You can copy a profile to speed up setup for related games and use surface calibration for consistent mouse tracking. Remember to name profiles clearly so you find them fast. Finally, you synchronize profiles to your Logitech account and export a local backup so settings survive reinstallations. Once synced, enable automatic profile switching for supported titles to avoid manual changes. If a device disappears or behaves oddly, update firmware first. If that fails, reinstall G Hub, run it as admin, and test different USB ports or a powered hub. One key tip: disable other input software and restart your PC before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.